couple other things to look at while we're here in the roof. Firstly, we decided to put a smoke alarm up here because if there's a fire that happens to get started in the roof, well, that's likely to warn us a long time before a smoke alarm actually in the house itself. The other thing is the hot water system here. So here we've got a low pressure copper tank with 400 litres of, I just touched this, very hot water, really hot. So this pipe here, you can see, is pretty well insulated, and this is the return from the tubes on the roof. And this is the, down below here, we've got the flow to the tubes on the roof. So it goes out that way to the tubes and it comes back this way. So actually I'm just going to test the difference in the temperature here. Pretty hot. Oh, youch, really hot. So it is a sunny winter's day outside, and so those evacuated tubes are definitely working fantastically well.